Hey everybody, my name is Stauman, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add another tracking ID in Amazon. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Amazon and then go to right top corner to account settings, and right here you're gonna see all the things, and here you're gonna see in account information manage your tracking ID. Click on it, and right here add a tracking ID, and you can like add it, create, close. Okay, so we have two tracking IDs now. And when I would click on it, you can go to home now. And here I will go like keyboard, go. And I can see right here and open the link. I can get the link if you want to. And you're gonna select the tracking ID, and you can do the tracking ID as the new account or just the old account. And then you can like easily see who is going to make how much money. So this is pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. Have a great day and goodbye.